Oh, that one got away from you.
Huh?
Oh, that's a pretty yellow one.
And first the blue, and first this.
What color is that one?
Green.
Yeah. Good job.
And first the blue one. Blues go right here.
Beautiful.
Hey, I got blue.
Oh, you got blue fingers.
And first this. There.
Very nice. You gonna put some more eggs in there now?
Good chow.
Okay.
This.
Oops.
One. Two.
Well, aren't you gonna put them in the paint?
Huh?
Aren't you gonna put them in the paint so they color?
Yeah. Three ones. A blue. And
Okay.
there.
But you have to put them in gentle so they don't break.
No. Go here.
Okay.
And first goes and then goes
You already got one in there.
here.
Oh, don't throw them in. Careful, you break them.
Break them.
Mhm.
There.
Are they all full?
Huh?
Are they all full?
Yeah.
Okay. Say Happy Easter.
Hello, Beaster.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hello, Grandma.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hello, Grandpa.
Say hi to Becca and Zan.
Hello, Sam.
Hi, Becca.
Hello, Becca.
Hello, Biff.
Hello, Bill.
Okay.